Brand new to our inventory here at Tameron Gulf Coast, we have this 2017 Chevrolet Equinox LT SUV that's factory certified. On the exterior of this Equinox, we have power and heated door mirrors, rear backup camera, and fully automatic headlights. Inside we have comfortable cloth seating for 5, illuminated entry, and remote keyless entry. The 7-inch LCD display has Bluetooth technology to keep you connected. This 2017 Chevrolet Equinox has less than 51,000 miles, is GM factory certified, and it comes with the AutoCheck Buyback Protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information.